In today's fast-paced world, it's easy for seniors to feel overlooked or disconnected from the joy of daily life. However, celebrating each day can significantly enhance their well-being and foster a sense of community. This video will explore how seniors can turn ordinary moments into extraordinary celebrations, reminding us all that life is a series of beautiful moments waiting to be cherished. We'll blend humor with practical advice, making the journey to daily celebration both enjoyable and achievable. From quirky traditions like Wacky Hat Wednesdays to simple rituals such as morning coffee chats with friends, we'll share ideas that spark joy and laughter. These light-hearted approaches not only uplift spirits, but also create lasting memories and connections with loved ones. Moreover, we encourage seniors to embrace unique traditions that resonate with their personalities and interests. Whether it's hosting a weekly game night or starting a gratitude journal, these practices can cultivate happiness and strengthen bonds with family and friends. By celebrating daily life, seniors can infuse their routines with purpose and joy, proving that every day holds the potential for a little festivity. So, let's dive in and discover how to make every day a celebration worth remembering. Tradition 1. Themed dress-up days. One delightful way for seniors to celebrate daily life is by introducing themed dress-up days each week. This fun tradition encourages everyone to choose a theme and dress up accordingly, adding a splash of creativity and excitement to their routines. Imagine the joy of a retro day, where everyone dons their favorite outfits from the past, or a favorite movie character day that brings beloved characters to life. The beauty of themed dress-up days lies in the laughter and camaraderie they inspire. Picture a group of friends gathering, each showcasing their unique interpretations of the theme. The shared giggles and playful banter create a warm atmosphere, fostering connections and strengthening friendships. It's not just about the outfits. It's about the stories and memories that come with them. Moreover, these themed days serve as a wonderful outlet for creativity and self-expression. Seniors can explore their personal styles, experiment with colors, and even reminisce about cherished memories tied to their chosen themes. Whether it's a vibrant Hawaiian shirt for a tropical theme or a classic black and white ensemble for a film noir day, the possibilities are endless. So, let's encourage our seniors to embrace this joyful tradition and make every week a celebration of creativity and fun. Tradition 2. Weekly potluck parties. Another fantastic way for seniors to celebrate daily life is by organizing weekly potluck parties. This tradition invites everyone to bring a dish to share, creating a delightful tapestry of flavors and culinary stories. It's a wonderful opportunity for seniors to showcase their favorite recipes, whether it's a cherished family secret or a dish that holds special memories. Potluck parties foster a sense of community and connection, as friends gather around the table to enjoy each other's creations. Sharing meals has a unique way of bringing people together, sparking conversations, and creating lasting bonds. As everyone samples different dishes, they can share anecdotes and laughter, making each gathering a memorable experience. To keep things exciting, consider incorporating a theme for each potluck. Themes like comfort food night, international cuisine, or seasonal favorites can inspire creativity and encourage seniors to try new recipes. This not only adds variety to the meals, but also allows everyone to explore different cultures and flavors. By embracing this tradition, seniors can look forward to a weekly celebration filled with delicious food, laughter, and connection. So, let's gather our friends, whip up those favorite recipes, and make every potluck a joyful occasion to remember. Tradition 3, Memory Lane, Mondays. Dedicating Mondays to sharing stories and memories can be a heartwarming tradition for seniors, known as Memory Lane Mondays. This special time allows friends to gather in a comfortable space, creating an inviting atmosphere for storytelling and reminiscing. Whether it's a cozy living room or a community center, the right setting can make all the difference in encouraging open conversations. To spark engaging discussions, seniors can bring along old photos or memorabilia that hold sentimental value. These tangible items often serve as powerful conversation starters, evoking cherished memories and prompting laughter, or even a few tears. As friends share their stories, they not only relive their past experiences, but also deepen their connections with one another. Preserving and sharing personal histories is vital, as it helps to honor the rich tapestry of life experiences that each individual brings to the group. Memory Lane Mondays provide a platform for seniors to reflect on their journeys, celebrate their achievements, and pass down wisdom to younger generations. This tradition not only fosters a sense of belonging, but also reinforces the importance of community and shared history. So, let's embrace Memory Lane Mondays and create a space where stories come alive, enriching our lives and those around us. Tradition 4, Crafting Corner. Setting aside time for creative crafting sessions can be a delightful tradition for seniors, known as Crafting Corner. This is a wonderful opportunity for friends to come together and explore their artistic sides while enjoying each other's company. Simple crafts like scrapbooking, painting, or even making greeting cards can be perfect activities that allow everyone to express their creativity without feeling overwhelmed. Encouraging collaboration is key to making these crafting sessions even more enjoyable. Friends can share supplies, tools, and ideas, fostering a sense of community and teamwork. Whether it's passing around a favorite pair of scissors or swapping colorful papers, the act of sharing enhances the experience and builds stronger bonds among participants. The joy of creating something together is truly special. As seniors work on their projects, they can share stories, laughter, and tips, making the crafting process as rewarding as the finished product. Each piece created can serve as a cherished memory, a reminder of the fun times spent together. Crafting Corner not only nurtures creativity, but also promotes social interaction and emotional well-being. So, let's gather our friends, unleash our imaginations, and make crafting a joyful tradition that brings us closer together. Tradition 5, Nature Walk, Wednesdays. Planning weekly nature walks can be a refreshing tradition for seniors, known as Nature Walk Wednesdays. This is a wonderful way to enjoy the great outdoors while staying active and connected with friends. Choosing local parks or gardens for these scenic walks not only provides beautiful backdrops, but also allows participants to immerse themselves in nature's tranquility. During these walks, it's important to encourage mindfulness and appreciation of the beauty surrounding them. Taking a moment to pause and admire blooming flowers, chirping birds, or the rustling of leaves can enhance the experience and promote a sense of peace. Sharing observations about the sights and sounds can spark engaging conversations and deepen connections among friends. Incorporating light exercises or stretching during the walk can also be beneficial. Simple stretches or gentle movements can help improve flexibility and circulation, making the walk more enjoyable for everyone. Whether it's a few arm circles or calf stretches, These activities can add an element of fun and wellness to the outing. Nature walk. Wednesdays not only promote physical health, but also nurture mental well-being. So, let's lace up our walking shoes, embrace the beauty of nature, and make every Wednesday a celebration of friendship and vitality. Tradition 6. Game night. Extravaganza. Hosting a monthly game night can be an exciting tradition for seniors, known as Game Night Extravaganza. This lively gathering brings friends together for an evening filled with fun, laughter, and friendly competition. To cater to different interests, it's essential to select a variety of games, from classic board games like Monopoly and Scrabble to engaging card games like Uno or Rummy. This diversity ensures that everyone can find something they enjoy, making the night more inclusive and enjoyable. Encouraging friendly competition is a key element of these game nights. The thrill of a close match can lead to plenty of laughter and playful banter, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. As participants cheer each other on, they strengthen their bonds and create lasting memories. To keep the excitement alive, consider creating a rotating schedule for different hosts. Each month, a different friend can take the lead in organizing the event, choosing the games, and even providing snacks. This not only keeps things fresh, but also allows everyone to showcase their unique tastes and preferences. Game Night Extravaganza is more than just a night of games. It's a celebration of friendship, laughter, and community. So, gather your friends, roll the dice, and let the fun begin. Tradition 7. Celebration of the month. Celebrating a unique holiday or event each month can be a delightful tradition for seniors, known as Celebration of the Month. This fun initiative allows friends to come together and enjoy themed activities that bring joy and excitement to their gatherings. Choosing holidays like National Pie Day or Friendship Day provides a perfect opportunity to plan engaging activities that everyone can enjoy. Once a holiday is selected, the fun begins with planning activities, decorations, and treats that align with the chosen theme. For National Pie Day, for instance, participants can bake and share their favorite pies, while decorating the space with pie-themed decorations. On Friendship Day, activities could include crafting friendship bracelets or sharing heartfelt stories about cherished friendships. Encouraging participation and creativity in planning these celebrations is essential. Friends can take turns suggesting themes, organizing activities, and even bringing themed treats. This collaborative approach not only makes the celebrations more enjoyable, but also fosters a sense of ownership and excitement among everyone involved. The celebration of the month tradition not only adds variety to the calendar, but also strengthens friendships and creates lasting memories. So, let's embrace this joyful tradition and make each month a special occasion filled with laughter, creativity, and connection. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored 7 fun and quirky traditions that seniors can embrace to make every day a celebration. From themed dress-up days that spark creativity and laughter to memory lane Mondays that honor personal histories, each tradition offers a unique way to foster connection and joy. We also discuss the delightful nature of weekly potluck parties, the creativity of Crafting Corner, and the refreshing experience of Nature Walk Wednesdays. Not to forget the excitement of Game Night Extravaganza and the festive celebration of the month. These traditions are designed to enrich daily life and strengthen friendships. The importance of connection and joy in our lives cannot be overstated, especially for seniors. Engaging in these activities not only promotes well-being, but also creates lasting memories and a sense of community. If you enjoyed these ideas and want to see more content like this, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights and inspiration for celebrating life every day. Let's make every moment count and spread the joy of connection together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.